guys, this is Sun. Today I'm going to give you a quick review of some new things by Dear Klairs. And I got these 3 products from wishtrend.com. They sent me these 3 products because they also knew that I was having some skin problems. They work great, but I'm just going to go ahead and describe them and how I use them and such like that. The first one is actually the last step to these 3 products, but I love it the most. This is the Dear Klairs Midnight Blue Calming Cream, and it's just like this blue cream. I use like more than half of it already. I know I'm like putting this up quite late. Use it every night and also during the daytime because it says you can put it on during the daytime. Just put a small amount on the affected area in the morning and evening after using toner and serum. Use a little bit of it and put it on the spots that really need help. I've been having bad acne for the first couple of months. I've been using it every day and I have been seeing changes. Don't have a before, but as you see in this video clip here, I had like these spots and a little bit of acne on the right side of my face, but they have gone down a significant amount since I've been using this. It doesn't have any scent to it, so that's good. The next thing is the Dear Klairs Midnight Blue Youth Activating Drop. I don't know why it's called Youth Activating Drop. Maybe it helps you stay young. This says that this is an intensive EGF peptide treatment. Apply a proper amount around affected area in the morning and evening. And affected area meaning if you have acne, it really helps it. I only use this in the evening only because putting on too much is too heavy for your skin. So make sure that in your skincare routine, I know that a lot of girls do this like 10-step skincare routine. It actually clogs your pores, so you don't want to be putting way too many products on your face. Encourages collagen production, which helps you stay young, and accelerates the skin's renewal process, meaning improves skin texture and elasticity, and lessen appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. This blue color. Last product, I got this separately, but I really love this because I have another toner similar to it. This is the Dear Klairs Supple Preparation Unscented Toner Moisturizing Skin from the Moisturizing Skin program, and I have another one also, but this one is unscented. This smells a little bit like baby lotion, and this doesn't have a smell to it at all. I prefer this over this because I'm not a big fan of how this smells. Most of the ingredients are quite similar on the bottle. It's just that one is scented and one is unscented. They both do the same things, are very moisturizing, and their textures are the same. And this toner is formulated with a base of various botanical extracts to balance the skin's pH level and provide full nourishment to the skin, so that's great. Apply this first, and then next I'll apply this, and I don't use it all the time, but I do apply this after I do a toner. Sometimes I put on a serum as well, but because I have a Dear Klairs serum. Lastly, I will put the Dear Klairs Midnight Blue Calming Cream, and then after this I put on a moisturizer to lock it all in because this sometimes is not moisturizing enough for my face. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I haven't made a video in such a long time. Last video that you see, the one of my haul, that was like about 2 months ago, and that's crazy because like I just don't have the time because of school, but I'm always making excuses. I know my skin needs help lately, not lately, but for the past couple of months. Now it's getting better. Yeah, okay, so I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye. Bye-bye.